Hello everyone, and today I'm in Hailing Island. I'm at a beautiful resort and such a beautiful view. So there's this thing that happens here where the sun is shining and it's cold. Anyways, look at such a beautiful, peaceful island, and there are lakes here, and there are also caravans where you have the vacation homes, so people can rent it out. You can also buy. Okay, you can see some for sale units. So this is where children can play, and the most similar to this in Nigeria is Lakowe lakes. Have a golf course here. You have, just so many wonderful amenities here. Clean, you're breathing clean air. It's quiet, out of the hustle and bustle of Lagos. Okay, the village is facing the golf course. Does it open automatically? Open sesame. I open. Open sesame. Oh, this is beautiful. Welcome to the village. So there are luxury duplexes, fully detached duplexes. How many rooms? Three bedrooms. Okay. Just opposite the golf course.
Opposite
the golf course. Watering the grass. So let's go. It is a retirement home. Do you retirement home?
Yeah, I think so, yes.
Okay, still. Yes. So there's even the lagoon by the side.
Yes, that lagoon we saw that time.
Okay.
So you see how it's there.
Wow, this is nice. A nice view. This is the balcony.
This is the balcony.
Come, let's see this. Let's take some pictures of Ule. Okay, Ule. This thing. Okay, taking pictures. This is.
When you want to buy it.
Yeah. No, that was nice. So they're doing the landscaping.
Yes,
Nice, that's interesting. This is a client, or is working here too?
I think this one is Ownahomeng. So they are staying here already.
Okay, they're already staying here.
Are you staying?
Wow. People are already living here.
They are staying. They are almost two people.
Two people are already living here.
Yeah.
Oh, really? The problem with Nigerian developers is just funding, because the vision to do this, that's very visionary. Just see how beautiful it is. Then there are lakes as well here. Then there is the actual pier where boats are. So follow me to the reception area so that we could get to the pool. There's a conference place, and then there's also the place there's a restaurant and sitting area. this is a place for events and what the like. So follow me and let's go. See the people that are on my entourage. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hello. So we're inside here, waiting to get to the pool area. You know? Yeah. So I'll keep you posted. Let's go. Let's go. This is the entrance to the pool. All the way here. Disabled changing facility. Then we can go through here, I think. Yeah, all entrance to the pool. Then this is how it is outside. Really nice. This is the place for the swimming area. Really nice. Here is warm, 26 degrees, and the water is warm as well. Don't do pass yourself. Do it not pass it yourself. This is the last day of the trip at Healing Island. Alright. So wonderful. We came here in the winter, but still enjoyable. Alright, let's go.